I'm debating if I should continue making this video.
It's not gon', you know what I'm saying? It ain't gon', nah, it ain't gon'.
Wow, this shit is trash. Oh my god, we gotta move this somewhere.
I just don't care no more, bruh. Like, I don't want to. I don't.
I done seen them niggas switch up like some pesos. In the days when I was wishing like a shooting star. This is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. After like a year of just staying consistent and letting that shit grow, like this is a lot of growth for a year, I feel like. And yeah, if you want to get hair like this, if you want to rock the baby dreads, freeform, semi-freeform baby dreads, this is how you do it. Just use a little bit, cause up as fast as possible, bro. You go to my other video and you follow that. And before you know it, yo, this shit so versatile, like you can put it up, do this, push it back, you can push it back and then, you feel me? Like, you can do a lot of shit with this. Like, look at me, bro, like, bro. Come on now, like what? Like pull up like this. Or if you didn't want to pull up like this, pull up with these. These the extra swavy shits. I don't wear these a lot, but yeah, I like that. I like these ones too. Yeah, I'm spring break ready. Just so y'all know.
White one, pretty girl, huh? Yes.
Bro, you could do so much with this hairstyle. Like, I just wanted to show off my glasses, but that's what I was trying to get at. You could do so much with this right here. You can do so much, and it can still be considered short. Or you could like put it up. I couldn't do this shit. Like, I couldn't do this like 3 months ago. 3 months ago, and I could like do basically whatever I want. Let alone a year ago when I just started and I was supposed to do like these every month or 3 months or something, whatever I said. And it's gonna be like a little weekly thing. So I'm about to walk y'all through how I do it. That just didn't happen. How you do it is you get the little sponge. You just sponge your hair. Have locking gel, sponge your hair, wash your hair. That's about it. Like, it's pretty simple. All you just really need patience and consistency.
And that is some of the best advice I've ever heard. Man, you killed it on that one. How you come up with that shit, man?
So that's that. Like, ain't much much more I could say on that. So that's how you do it.
You love me, let me go. Hold on, jump in that water, get wetter. I like her best friend better. Cause I'm feeling myself like I'm about to beat off.
Take your right hand down and go. Right hand down.
What the fuck? No homo, my God, I gotta dig it up. So these niggas too dumb.
Pink candy, feeling like we should do the duck away. Netflix and do say, and if I do say so.
How about the
Yeah, yeah. I found you, I give you all you need.